first thing we're going to do, we've got templates, so you can make prototypes, which is going to be more like a website. You can make slides, so a PowerPoint, for example. You can make documents, wireframes, and of course you can make animations or just a blank project if you wanted that. So the first step you want to do is click on Design System and go down and say set up your design system. That's really the whole strength of this, and if you're not using a design system, you're missing out on the biggest advantage of Claude Design. And by the way, these two options, as you can see a little subtext there, if you have Figma or GitHub or other things, other assets, then this makes sense. Otherwise, if you want to use React components, that makes more sense there. That's going to be better fidelity. I'm going to go with create here for this video. We'll start off with the company name, and let's just say I have a surf shop, Santrel Surf. So I just put a little blurb in there. There's probably more than we need for this, but I just like giving more information to this. You can add a link code from GitHub, link code from your computer, or you could just drop in images down here. If you have a Figma file, that's where that would go. Fonts, logos, and assets. Other files would just go right here. So let's just say I have a logo, just a PNG file. I'm going to drop that in right here. And let's say I have a very specific font that I want to use. Again, this is a big advantage. You can't really do this with other AI platforms. I'm going to drag the font over to here. So if you download the font, it's in a folder, you just drag it over and we're going to be able to use that. And then I have a lot of images. I'm just going to drop all the images here just so we have everything available. Any other notes down here, we can choose what the vibe is going to be, and we can say continue to generation. I'll click on generate. It takes maybe 5 minutes to do though. So once your design system has been created, you can click through everything on the left side or just scroll on the right side. It's just different, chapters basically. So we can go down and check out the logo, and of course the logo I updated or uploaded, and then they have that kind of a duplicate mode there. You've got several different images here. We've got voice and copy, and you can edit all of this, of course, as well. If you don't like what these little reviews say or whatever, you can change your colors. They've got several different color schemes here. So ocean blues, sand, and cream. There's like a sunset one. And then down here, the core stuff. So obviously this is very like playful looking just based on the font. And I think this mostly matches it. Of course, this isn't a real design. This is just showing us what the buttons look like and stuff. But we've got forms, shadows, pretty much anything you would want. You can really edit all of that down here.